Hey Jamie, Chris Reed here from Outdoor SEO. Sorry for the delay in getting this over to you. I got dengue fever, which was pretty terrible, but I'm okay now. Anyway, I put together this quick little video to just show you a few things that you can fix and how you can do better. So the first thing I did was go and look at your current ranking. And so you can see that over the last month, you're actually on a slight downhill, but nothing pretty negligible. So these are the keywords that you rank for, and these are the position. So you can see, there's plenty of really great keywords, like lots of concrete cleaning kind of keywords, and these are the positions. So doing quite fine for a bunch of keywords there. So there's 10 positions on the front page of Google, and you can see here's where you start running off. And like this really great keyword, tile cleaning Sydney, you're number 11, or how to clean pavers, number 11. So that's on page 2 of Google, where no one's going to find you. And if we keep looking down, you can see that there is a lot of them, a real lot. How to seal concrete floor sealing, and you can see that there's 5 pages of that just keeps going. So your site's ranking for a real lot of keywords, just not on the front page. To give an idea why some of that is, so if we go over to Google and type site : and your domain name. We've got your homepage, your front page indexed, and all of the pages that Google sees from most important to least important. So straight away, when you see these dots, that means your description is not set properly. So your metadata needs to look at tile cleaning Sydney. That's pretty good. This the tile sealing and restoration, that title tag is pretty nice, but your description's not set. Then if you look at these other ones, news and FAQs aren't that important. So it'd be much better to get the pages that are much more service oriented up the top. But on the front page, things look pretty okay. But if we go down further, you can see like here, page that you've got lots of duplicate metadata. See, all of these are the exact same, which it actually looks like they're not set, and these titles are crappy. Like, you've got a lot of extra content indexed that doesn't need to be indexed. So yeah, I'd really recommend that there be a website audit to look at all of the issues for your site. But that's just sorry, I was just getting you can, okay, so another thing here, you've got all these blog pages, but they don't really seem to be targeting anything. So I dare say you got a lot of content cannibalization. You got a pretty old website, so over years they kind of degrade if you don't get things like this. Grout ceiling 2, this page again doesn't have metadata set and probably shouldn't be there at all. So you got quite a bit of stuff to look at there. So who am I anyway? Well, that's me right there, Chris Reed, the CEO and founder of Outdoor SEO. And that's exactly what we specialize in, fixing websites and getting them looking great, and getting them to come up when people are searching for exactly what you do. And we not only get them to find your website, we get them to take action. I'd like you to take a little action right now. Just click the button below this video. It's going to pop up my calendar. Find a date and time that works for you. Book in a call, and I'll show you how we can get you in front of thousands of more visitors that are looking for exactly what you do, tile cleaning in and around Sydney. So cool. Thanks, Jamie. Click that button. Talk soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.